When you're in IT ops, you care about all the applications in the enterprise in order to better triage and determine which apps to focus on. Aternity helps by showing all users, all devices, and all applications, not just what users have installed, but what they are actually using and their experience of using it. This includes all Windows and web applications, regardless of whether they're internal, cloud, or running on XenApp, XenDesktop, or XenMobile environments, all without any prior configuration. Aternity also provides an indication of app health based on wait time, crashes, and errors. With Aternity, you can investigate any user session to understand the experience they are having. Aternity monitors the true response time of any business activity the workforce executes on any application as it actually renders, while simultaneously monitoring the underlying health of the XenMobile, XenDesktop, or XenApp device. Aternity automatically color codes each instance the user did to immediately show whether the performance was normal, green, a minor deviation, yellow, or a major deviation, orange. This immediately helps determine if the application itself is having the issue versus the underlying device. In a virtualization migration to XenDesktop or XenApp, the virtual desktop or virtual app server always gets blamed for poor performance when users experience slow applications. Aternity helps you investigate these problems from multiple areas. Aternity provides a view of ICA latency for all sessions, breaking it down by client location and device, virtual desktop and server, as well as the data center location. Aternity also provides a view of the underlying health of the XenMobile, XenDesktop, and XenApp device. This includes device resource utilization, hardware inventory, software inventory, app usage and health, and more. Aternity is not limited to the device, as in many cases it's not the virtual infrastructure that's the cause of the problem. It's the application itself. Aternity can show if the application itself is problematic versus the underlying Citrix infrastructure. In those cases, Aternity can show if it's the client-side app, network, or server that's affecting the performance. Finally, Aternity can help validate the impact of change within the organization, whether it's changes to an application or infrastructure, or if it's due to virtualization. VDI migration often gets stalled because IT lacks the proof that apps running on XenDesktop and XenApp run as well or better than they do on other devices. Aternity addresses that. Aternity enables you to analyze the performance of any application before and after a change. You can assess business activity volumes and response time relative to SLA targets before and after the change. User response time is seen by the end user to quantify the impact of change by location or department. Because Aternity correlates user experience with device health and application performance, you can analyze the impact of change to apps, devices, or infrastructure on user experience before, during, and after each step of a virtualization migration program, and can help justify going to management for funding for expansion.